If your pension's underperforming, you would probably want a load of free resources. I suggest you head on over to campaignforamillion.com, which I established after years of experience working with investors. It's completely free. We've got a ton of resources there. It is my campaign to teach 1 million people how to add an extra million to their pensions across their lifetimes. Now, campaignforamillion.com is where you would go. It includes all that I've learned from my 200 columns in the Financial Times, my Bloomberg TV shows, my 18 odd books as a hedge fund manager as well. The reason why your IFAs, wealth managers, are underperforming in your pension, why your pension isn't growing and what to do about it. It is as much for beginners as it is for seasoned people who want to professionalize things. So head on over to the website, and you can also get a free pension review through there as well. Get in touch with us, and my team and I will cast our eyes over your pension, give you a detailed analysis, and have a call with you, all free as well. Okay, so see you soon.